EMAG loading tipped waste bags. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the proper loading of a consumable needed for each EMAG run. At the end of this video, you should be able to understand the loading and unloading of the EMAG tip waste bag. Required materials: EMAG tip waste bag, part number 422140. Open the tip waste bag prior to placing it in the system. The EMAG tip waste bag should be removed after the completion of each run. A new tip waste bag should be loaded before starting a new extraction run. There is a tip waste drawer for both the left and the right sections of the instrument. Repeat the process shown for each side of the instrument. The drawers that hold the tip waste bag operate with a push-pull string loaded mechanism. Push on the door, then allow it to release and open. Pull the door completely open. The tip waste bag must be carefully positioned in the drawer to prevent creases and bumps at the bottom of the drawer that could decrease waste capacity. Place the open tip waste bag into the drawer. Ensure the bag is completely open. Make sure the sides of the bag extend open and are close to the sides of the drawer. Make sure the front of the bag is up against the front of the drawer. When opening a new bag, make sure the inside corners are pulled open so the bag will remain open when placed in the drawer. Make sure the bag is fully seated into the drawer and is not sticking out over the top of the drawer. Once the drawer is closed and the tip waste bag loading is acknowledged in the software Load and Run page, this consumable is correctly loaded for a new EMAG run. The remaining availability in terms of capacity is calculated by the EMAG software using a tip ejection counter. For this calculation to be correct, you have to acknowledge in the EMAG software that a new empty tip waste disposable has been loaded. When the run is finished, the software will display a message indicating that the vessels and aspirators should be unloaded and discarded. Unless the option to have eluates remain in the vessel can be chosen, the vessel is only used for the extraction and can be discarded. Caution: if option to have eluates end in the vessel, then your finished product will be present in this disposable and you should not throw it away until you have manually removed the eluate. As the section of the EMAG is unloaded, the aspiration tips and vessel can be added to the bag for final disposal. The tip waste disposable is for single use only, based on the biohazard risk related to tips. Do not reuse it. Remove the bag at the end of the run and close it to seal. Place the tip waste bag in a hard-sided biohazard container to discard. Follow all waste disposal guidelines as set by your organization's Environmental Health and Safety Program.